Unbelievable. Wow. Look at those skies. So, I don't think I could have picked a better place to shoot this comet. It should be rising right over those mountains there. We're actually setting right over those mountains. Should be able to see the Big Dipper in about an hour here. Got this beautiful, beautiful river. Nice, empty field. We got a bench here. But I think I'm gonna set up here. I'm committed. I'm locked in. Let's do it. This way. Okay, cables. Really hope I didn't forget anything because Vernon is a far ways away. Got my wiring harness here, makes it a bit easier than having individual cables to assemble. Got to attach my fan. Probably check collimation first, since we did do almost 600 kilometers. It doesn't take very long to do, and it could ruin your night. Within tolerance, and in the mirror, looks pretty good there. I'm happy with that. Camera time. We don't want this filter on because we are doing broadband. That would have been bad. Just glass. Now I do the wiring. That. Oh no! Wow. So, in all my excitement, leaving for Jasper, beautiful, beautiful Jasper, I forgot my guide scope and my guide camera. And I just realized, as I was setting up my telescope, and I feel like the dumbest person who has ever lived. I drove almost 600 kilometers to come out here to these pristine dark skies just to forget my guide scope. Oh, holy, yeah, wow. Wow. All right, well, this is a good learning lesson. Don't be an idiot and make a packing list. Yeah, just, I don't even have the words right now. Oh, and I know where it's sitting. What a wasted opportunity. Astrophotography is hard sometimes, especially when you forget critical pieces of gear. Oh man, what do I do? I guess I'll pack up. I will never make the same mistake again. Gotta look at the bright side of things. I'm getting good at setting up all my gear. I'm getting good at driving 600 kilometers just to forget some equipment. Mount, coma corrector, cables, collimator, ESIR. Don't want to forget anything, right? That would be so much more embarrassing if I leave something out here. Just pretend it's cloudy. Change of plans. I'm gonna try some wide field Milky Way. See what I can get. I didn't really plan for this, but sometimes plans change. Got the Rokinon 14mm, the Canon R8, full battery, move, shoot, move, Nomad. See what I can come up with. Hopefully save the night, make this trip worth it. Photo pills. Calibration. So really, I just need to put that crosshair right at the southern pole. Focus is really not the best, but I think that's actually coma. We're not at the center of the frame. Find a brighter star that's closer to the center. There's one. Zoom in on that guy. Yeah, that's right there. That's focused. All right. 10-second test exposure and a shoot delay of 10 seconds. By the river. That would be a nice shot right here. Right there. Check our focus. 30-second test exposure. Alright, that looks pretty cool. It is insane how many stars there are. Absolutely amazing.